As a NRI, should you invest in stocks or should you invest in real estate in India? Now, I'll tell you from my personal experience when I was working in Washington, D.C. and Toronto, and I was making a six-figure salary and saving about $20,000-$30,000 every year. Now, the 4 years I worked there, 2 years in D.C., 1 year in Texas, and 1 year in Toronto, I saved about $120,000, and I split my money between S&P 500 and between the real estate investment opportunities near Noida Airport. Today, the S&P 500 has given me 12% annual returns approximately, but the lands, on the other hand, have given me 25% annual returns, almost doubled. But there are nuances to it. The nuance being that I did not want to live abroad for very long. I just wanted to work a few years, get exposure, and then get out. I found too many problems living there. So I always wanted to be long term in India, or at least have a base in India and then travel around. So that worked very fine for me. But if you're somebody who just wants to live for a very long term in USA, UK, Canada, Dubai, wherever, then that means that you'll have to take into account the depreciating value of the rupee. Now, historically, the rupees has depreciated about 8 to 10% every year. Now, in the future, I expect the trend is not going to continue. The rupee will depreciate, but not as much. But even if you take 10% rupee depreciation into account, and let's say if you convert all your money into INR and invest in real estate in India, specifically the lands and plots near Noida Airport, and if you're getting 25% annual return, so 5 or 10 years from now, minus the currency conversion charges, dollar to INR and then INR back to dollar, and then you also take into account the depreciation of the rupee, you still make about 17% annual returns. That's way more than what bank accounts in USA, Canada, UK could give you, and that's also more than what stocks, specifically S&P 500, etc., could give you. So my conclusion is that if you want to have a long-term base in India, 100% do not invest in stocks. Just invest in real estate opportunities around Noida Airport. But if you're looking for a long-term base outside India, then perhaps you can split your portfolio and then make the investments and then see it for yourself in next 5 to 10 years. If you're an NRI and if you're looking to make 25% annual returns on your investment, comment Noida and I'll share my top 2 investments with you where you can invest today and make 25% annual returns super easy passively.